start out by getting the right height set. That's adjustable right here by this push rod. So you turn that in and out to get your right height. You go from the plastic part of the chassis down to the floor, and that we're shooting for 5.5 inches. We set some strings up parallel with the car chassis, and then from there you check your toe in, camber, caster, things like that to get it tracking nice and straight going down the highway.